loaded. I fought to Rolex. I fought to fitted. Oh, too loaded. I fought is a baller. I fought is a stunner.
Okay, DJ Eazy-B, thank you.
When Eazy-B they enter here, now you tell them no. Tomorrow on a Friday.
Time not day. What you want to play plenty? Time not day. Anyway, now welcome on top of the next show. Tony Monjaro, they're supposed to give you ID card.
Because I know, I get.
You get it.
I get the ID card. When I contract to the book here.
No.
And the contract go here to say. Stay there when I go out.
If Tony they enter this studio, we just all of us just be happy they laugh anyhow. So,
anyway, welcome back on top of the night show. For the night show for today, topic we will discuss. Now, matter we concern two brothers. When it be say, one of them, enough fit born pikin. According to Obodo, they say he is sterile. Meaning say in akamu na wata. Enough fit form pikin. Then the other brother, when it be say only two of them mama born. That one get only 2 months to live.
Okay.
Because they say their papa been get one sickness like that, so the papa can't transfer the sickness to the guy. Okay. So the guy get like 2 months to live. Now the family members, now the mama will see their life, and for other family members don't they say, if this guy will be their brother when he be say see the machine gun everything see the work, if he die now, this one too can't die later when nothing born became. Who go answer their name? Who go carry the family name go front? Nobody. So therefore, they can't ask. What did they can't talk now? Say make the one we get 2 months to live. Make he sleep with him brother when not fit born pikin wife.
Abomination.
So that even if he die,
something go see
there.
So that the family name go
still continue.
No,
now the wahala where they ground now be that.
Man, the guy. Like say the guy need God.
Who need God? Which one?
The one with the stare. I go no, go sleep with his wife. Make the name come out. If not so, you should believe. If you believe, you will receive. You believe.
If now you wait there, now you be the brother when they say get wife. You go allow make your other brother will get 2 months to live. Make him sleep with your wife just because of say he want move the family name go forward, or you go born. Make you live and like that.
Make you just die in peace.
The guy will one die.
For you to die in peace.
You understand? The guy will one die now. Don't agree. Say no problem. No problem.
Making yours go.
So why you not go agree?
So in brother not feel impregnated.
Why you not go agree? No, in brother not feel impregnated woman.
Why you not agree? When I want to.
Wait, he don't agree. Say he go agree. Make the wife, make him wipe in brother wife. And if you see this in brother wife. If you see this in brother wife,
no, you don't drink. That's bad.
Anyway, now the one I went
that's what I get to the anyway. Make a not talk.
Eazy-B, what do you think? Monjaro don't vex for this matter. I know even one answer.
Why?
Our phone number is there on top of TV. Make you begin the call us. Make you know what you get to talk about this matter. If now you be the elder brother, you go agree make your younger brother wait to go soon die. Sleep with your wife because of say on a one get family lineage. I be you go allow me your brother die. You tell him bye bye. You face your
bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Eazy-B talk true. If not you, what do you go do?
Well, they do this one a tight one. But as it stands, my wife. Now my wife. She understands.
Why you not get wife before you want die?
She understands. So my wife.
Why you not?
No, he never marry. He never marry. He never marry. He don't get wife.
Who fault be that one?
Because they do. Because how you think I go feel? Say maybe my pikin or my brother pikin can't grow on top of my wife, and at the next day, waiting my pikin or my wife pikin when they call me.
If you resent them,
you understand?
If you resent the pikin,
for me, I not go agree. My wife and my wife, and if we not get pikin, we go pray.
Exactly.
So
pray answers all.
No, Eazy-B, you never yam the kind thing when
you never jam.
You go see pressure. I don't do one thing when they say the mother-in-law go pressure. My mother-in-law for that film, they say make my husband brother can't give me belly by force.
Wait.
So that the family name
who know born? That the man have been a woman.
Now the man.
Exactly.
I know the pressure won't come from. Now the man I know fi born. You don't understand. Now the pressure they more on them. Now some people come to talk say why not make them look for girl where that one go wipe, give Bele. They say no.
That's what make. Oh,
say they want the wife with the married.
That wife don't play.
They want pure blood.
No, because when I hear when I still hear that very soon, because I thought say no lady won't agree sleep with man who won't die.
You understand? No lady will agree sleep with man who die.
That was why they
no, but it's not true.
And the one go hungry.
Because at least because his brother did it now.
His brother did it now. His brother did involved for the matter.
Even if the wife not supposed to agree, safe. The wife not supposed to agree. And now who she make covenant with? Not be no man.
No, but check this matter, eh? See, you they talk based on say okay, not be you it didn't happen to.
No, but even if not me, I don't know. Come on now. Say rather than that, we no born. We go adopt. People don't me say they adopt the kid. No, the family lineage, no worry.
But why men they prepare them for body? So even things say make another person sleep with their wife. No, I don't. Why they prepare some men?
You know, if
why not prepare you for body?
Not even worse. I said the brother sleep with her.
If na woman now, una go say no, well, not be big deal. If to say na the man suppose marry another woman, you go say well, not be big deal now. No, you suppose understand as you not fit born pikin, so you know.
That's true.
Now,
that's true. But you not be born, just allow brother take another woman.
No,
but why it be like that?
Woman. To be honest, it's a man's world. Not me talk up, not be my policy. Now what it be? I been like. So if man will come out for house, he go cheat on the wife, he go come back, he go beg the wife go agree. Woman go cheat on the husband, he come back the house, the whole family will kick him out.
Why? Why?
No, but now you see that is a topic for another day.
Yeah, from time is always
even if na man wall inside your house.
I don't agree with Tamo. But I don't think say I don't agree with Tamo.
You don't defend yourself.
That's so it be. And now so people they see him. And they understand.
More take this call. Mohammed from Kwara, good evening.
Yeah,
Mohammed, go buy credit. Load credit, may you call us back. But see, whether na man's word, I be not be man's word. You see, this guy will get this issue. This boy get this issue. People go somebody when I been talking this thing earlier today, now somebody say, where wanna they get all this wahala? You see, you don't know say people get wahala. People get problem where you don't know.
People get
If you know the topic, people with the wahala we people don't send us, we will never agree talk since. We not go talk this one they talk. Some of them when they ask this question. Talk back from Egbeda. Good evening.
Egbeda.
Talk back. Hey, what's in the door phone lines today now?
No, I don't get credits.
No, network. We not.
Okay, they work.
Okay, they work. You just see I'm talking. See I'm check. But anyway, back to the matter. Now because of say not be you. If now you there in the pressure. Now the guy now when they be say get that wife, he don't almost agree.
Almost. You don't see?
No, he don't almost agree.
The guy will get the wife.
Yes, we get the wife. We don't they almost agree now because of the way amount of pressure.
Exactly.
Because some people can't talk say because based on what I hear from the G's, they say okay, why you not bring another babe? They not bring make your family arrange another babe. Yeah. Make them follow sleep with the guy who won't die. Now this okay according to what you talk again now. Say no any girl want agree sleep with the guy when they know say the guy won't die.
But if they he one day say they go pass on something to the
and for the inheritance of the whole house. Now the guy get them.
And na big money.
Na big money.
They go pay the girl off, make them leave that side.
Now the part of the gist. Now part of the gist where we not know here be this. Inheritance of the papa we don't die.
He go that guy. So now the guy make the brother now won't do. So in other words, now money won't make and then be the motivator.
Hey Chiro from Wari, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
I beg, if now you this matter happen to when it be say you get brother, when it be say one die and the whole inheritance of your family now in hand the day, and you now you not fit born pikin, you go agree make the guy sleep with your wife before he die.
Me, I not go agree because if he sleep with the wife,
yes,
then at the end of the day the wife will born female born girl. The girl go fear outside the name. The girl go fear outside the name. Set of no use. I'm not gonna allow them.
Hey Jiro, God go bless you. You talk through what? I even forget that only boy or girl.
You don't
Ejiro, thank you.
You just think skin, that's all.
See, now wait, make una not forget. The major thing where they here. Now say the inheritance of the family, the inheritance of the family.
So
now this younger one, now he get
what they talk
to shift to somebody else now.
Nobody, if the man die, somebody must get to inherit the inheritance.
Now they tell you if the guy die, nobody go get him.
You know possible.
If the guy not,
the inheritance go yours.
The law.
The inheritance go yours day like
give from no law. Give from Sulele. Good evening.
It go day like that, like Jackie Chan.
Give don't run. Give don't run.
Inheritance go yours day like this.
Do they wait?
They wait for who?
Do they wait?
Ruti Royco is.
Yours Rugold.
Rugold. So say, no, if we look at Bible way, go in na good.
They do wait me that.
Now the woman then they tabo, not be
No, not be me.
My own. We co adopt to.
Exactly.
Okay. Una one same person where one die go air fire. If the man sleep with him brother. Stella from Ikoyi, good evening.
We don't think I'm going
Stella
back.
from Ikoyi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Vera, how now?
Fine.
Vera, this matter. Wait till you get to. You go if na you. This can't. If you be the woman now, or you be the any of the man, what thing you go do?
Any of the man.
I would hear you, Donna.
I don't go agree. It doesn't make any sense.
It don't make any sense.
Because if the talk say the man gets one disease where he go die in 2 months.
Yes.
So if I come agree me sleep with my wife now.
Yes.
Next thing now, that means my pikin too fit get disease where he go die in how many months again?
Another thing again.
Too many things.
But my sister, nobody go get the inheritance. So according to the story,
Dora, thank you. But wait, according to what Katim they talk now, you see, may we talk true. Make we rest now. Tony, easy. The inheritance. Oh, I wish I could call the guy. Gongo make it come here. Flourish from Wari, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I dey fine. No.
You dey flourish, they go.
We
dey fine. I beg if now you, what do you go do?
For my own mind, it depends on how the family take me. Okay. If the family not take me serious right from the time, there's no need trying to protect their heritage or something, because it has to do with a strong emotion to be able to agree with that. And another thing that if the man go feel white, because as they sit, so I want to run the matter. What if I don't come there? I
wanted you to know you get. I wanted you to know you
see her own problem now the white thing. Can the guy white?
He's serious. Quiet.
He said as the guy they sing, so the guy go feel white. When he got to sing, I want to run the matter.
And then we should not wipe the
I'm back from Makoni, good evening.
I don't dare.
No, do how you doing?
I'm fine. Body they fine. I beg if now you for this matter, what you go do?
If it are me, but it's not what you talk like. This man will be at all.
Yes.
There's the other one, people, but he was die in a 3 months.
Yes.
Now, what I will do say, I will just agree, because if he die now, the family one don't go. The next thing now, me I will still die too, and I know people are thought of. If I can't die now, then the family don't.
It don't finish with that.
I don't think that the best thing I will agree. So I not going to go out to make it do my wife, make my own go to keep for they take that family. Make that family not finish. But if I not agree, I must only die again.
Exactly. Thank you.
No be quarrel.
This guy, Bev, the way they the face talk up. Now this guy want go there for. Now this guy.
You call it white.
Let's go. I'm gonna go. No, not be like that. No. Okay, come down. Make I show you. Now snake and ladder style. In case those of you that don't understand what this matter, see, make I tell Namokuna know the inheritance as I take talk earlier before.
You don't talk the money matter.
Now the inheritance.
They do like money.
Hey, man.
Juliet from Anambra, good evening. Juliet.
It don't run.
Juliet.
See, make I tell you something you don't understand. If you know the amount of the inheritance, now, if I make an outline small, I be no one talk this thing. Then did you make I tell you for Abuja, for this Lagos for here, the papa former minister like that before the papa died, they get houses for inside South Africa. You understand?
So
but now this guy, everything
the guy load.
He got load.
He load where?
The elder brother now we not fit do anything.
So you want to say
now he be the in the one when they be say that time when them grew up, him for Yankee, now they live anyhow life, area boy, anyhow. So
that's why he can't.
They don't send them. So now this younger one now we head their house. Now he then carry everything give. God can't touch this one now. He head can't come down. He come marriage. No, marriage now because of all the wipe. Maybe not the wiping way don't
wipe.
Don't wipe out all
the children.
That thing they get. If not they listen well. That thing they get side effect though. If you like, yours be going around.
You understand? What they get side
effect?
So they wipe anyhow.
What thing got to do?
My grandpapa.
I think you see all these military all their ear don't open your side that.
If I'm from Onitsha, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
Fine, no.
If I'm bet, what you go do for this matter if it is you? Your TV
me,
too loud.
Who make that guy not say he go die for 2 weeks? He be God. For 2 months, he be God.
Now doctor, now truth, true. Now Ifeoma, make we leave this thing for this matter. Ifeoma, baby, let me tell you, true. If you see the guy, when you see the medical report, I wish say I feel show the guy picture. I wish say I feel now the guy I wish I feel carry come.
Even if the person they suffer HIV, you not gonna say whether the person go die until God take him.
My question why they ask you, what thing you go do?
If not me, I not go allow him.
May they sleep with your wife.
Because Bible not even allow him.
Yes.
Well, tell you.
Bless you.
May we read tweet. Ogunde Samson say I could recommend artificial insemination case closed.
What? That one uncle.
That one say. Nedu, why you they always they carry difficult issue come on top this show now?
Not be me
anyway,
issue now.
Me I no go Korean. God no let that kind of thing come my way. Now this one you go say it's not my portion.
It's not my portion.
Make him find woman, pay her.
Allow away from Osun State. He don't continue.
He said Pascal say make him find woman, pay him, keep him belly without to tell her. Then the family could take care of the rest. Pascal say he can't ask again. Why must it be my own wife? Say girls they everywhere. They feel arranged another girl. Hey, one say Ruthie can't say if the woman come born girl inheritance.
No. You see, to take answer some of na way to say why may they arrange another babe. That na why the family won't make it day inside the family.
Within the
if
family,
another girl, you want to give another girl, the inheritance
will
go
come out.
I want to come out.
See, you know, okay, you see him now.
No,
you go. No. They say make it get another girl to wipe him, and another girl we know what's up. Go one
take advantage
of the matter.
Country?
Nigeria.
For Nigeria.
This guy why they follow talk so he did Lagos, he did this VIO, he did this Victoria Island whole day so, he did this Victoria Island whole day so. More come up for sure, I go give you gist. Wait, from Lagos. Good evening. Hey. No credit.
I say, woman, I know co-create at all. Sure. No. What if the sickness where they kill them, they transmitted through wiping?
Anyway.
Question upon question upon question.
See, some of them never agree talk through. If you know the inheritance.
Khalifa say, Neruna story for the gods. No way. Hafsat say, she no go create. That one fit be beginning of problem. Easy, how you doing?
Plenty people they talk say
they fine.
When they see the money,
when they evolve, you talk rubbish. Una never talk. Now when they make me they talk. Talk back from Kano. Good evening. Hey, what's in our line today now?
The courts are not to blame. That's what is happening on a telephone line. But you know, say in the co 2 is tomorrow. So we can talk about that one.
Anyway, when they come back, maybe we'll grab more chicken break. Hand over to Easy Beat. We'll come back. We'll continue to on top this topic. For those of you that don't know, the inheritance. We don't know.
When they come back.